I think the really great thing is that the Targa concept is still around. Of course, the car benefits from being based on the new 992 generation, whose suspension, responsiveness and steering are all hugely improved. The powerful new engines, both of which are up to the latest emission standards, are a big part of it too. The car's aerodynamics have also been improved a lot, especially for open-top driving, which is really demanding from an aerodynamic point of view. It's available again in a great range of colors, and this Targa in classic Guards Red is just sensational. But I reckon it'd look pretty good in any color. Assistance systems play an increasingly important role nowadays. InnoDrive is the perfect example of this because of the way it is able to predict what's up to 3 kilometers ahead of you. With this, you can drive in a very energy-efficient way. Personally, I actually find it very relaxing. The world of digitalization is, of course, also moving into the car, and the boundaries are becoming increasingly blurred between your personal devices and the vehicle. The new 911 Targa can do that too. It started with features like real-time navigation, which now doesn't just use real-time traffic information, but also streaming services. This makes the transition a reality. We all know that a 911 is an everyday car, but I think this is very important. That is why we undertook a major step forward in terms of digital in-vehicle services. Vehicle development is a real team effort with lots of skill sets needed. I'm very happy that Jörg joined us. He's now always with us during the development and sign-off drives, giving us a reference point for driving dynamics, which is really valuable. He's a great addition to our team.
The beauty of production cars is that, unlike in motorsport, where you're always limited by regulations, you've actually got a lot more freedom. It's a great challenge that I am looking forward to, because you can really dig into all the details that make a car better.
I am particularly pleased that the 911 Targa is back, that we're launching it again, and that this icon is still part of the 911 program. For me personally, it really is the most beautiful 911 that we offer.